Okay, this is a video on how to get a drawing that is simply drawn in a local area, reference being 00, the feet off that particular column. Okay, so what you do need to know is you need to know the column reference. Okay, and what you can do is you do a selection and then use the move command, and down in the bottom you will see a menu, excuse me, modify base point or displacement. And for this particular task we need to displace this completely over to the area of that column, this particular one, F19. So we hit D for displacement, and then you will notice that the command line on the bottom is asking for you to enter feet and inches, comma, feet and inches, comma, feet and inches, comma. That would be for the XY command. Okay, so we will get the coordinates of that F19, which I previously done, and X is 6,007 feet, 6,007 feet, comma, Y is 9,402.5 feet, comma, and the Z is 111 feet and 7 inches. And we enter, and it disappears from sight, and we hit Z, enter, E, enter, and there it is where it belongs. Okay, so I'm getting rid of these X references that weren't supposed to be there. So it should be in the right position. And this is simply a bunch of polylines, as you see. As I go across, they all get highlighted. Okay, so this is ready to be sent. So we're going to call this save as. What are we going to call it? We need to say something. It's F19 BMB, and we could call it wireframe. That we know, or we could call it polylines. I seem to like polylines better. Alright, so that way they know that it's the F19 BMB's polylines. Okay, save it. Now that's the file that you may send to the CAD modelers. They can work with this. They use their program to build from that. But then again, you want to use the polyline yourself, and the way to do that is to make a solid out of it. So C is the command, C is the command for circle, and you make a circle. You have to choose diameter It's easier. And then 1/4. They're very small. And then I usually make a bunch of these. Copy CO, choose the base point, and then array. And how many do I want? 16. And I'll get them close to where I'm going to be using them. Okay, so then here you select the sweep command, and then you select the object, enter, select the path, select the object, enter, select the path. Select the object, select the path. And that's not too difficult. You will notice that sometimes you lose track. I actually lost the sweep command that I was using. Select the object, enter, select the path. Sweep, enter. Oh gosh, I screwed up again. Select the object, enter, select the object, enter. You notice that the circle was blue for a second, and it is no longer blue when you hit enter. Select the object, enter, and hit the path. Select the object, enter, might be easier to select with a range of this small. Enter, a little crazy on the mouse. Select it. Oh, don't have a command in there. Select the object, enter, enter. It doesn't. I got a hanky mouse, I guess. And I went too fast. Sweep, select the object, enter, and this is probably pretty stupid in some cases because cat MEP does this pretty much the same way, but almost automatically. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to. So now we have created a bunch of solids in the right position in the large scope of things. So now we save this as Navis ready. Okay, so we'll call this Navis. Yeah. Navis. That way we know that it's ready to go. So we've saved 2 files, and both of these are ready to go into Navis. So that will be the end of this little tutorial.